Hello everyone, my name is Sierra Cannon and today I will be discussing the manipulation of the rumen microbiota to increase the production efficiency in dairy cattle. With the growing pressure for dairy producers to increase milk yield and quality while reducing costs, there is a need for methods of increasing the production efficiency in dairy cattle. Dairy producers not only have to manage the relationship between the cost of feed and the cost of milk and milk products, but they also have to account for environmental pressures that can negatively impact the animal physiologically. In using these feed additives to manipulate the rumen environment and microbial population, a producer can positively impact the animal and increase the production efficiency in their cattle, milk quality, and can also mitigate the effects of environmental and physiological stressors on the animal. As many producers know, oxidative stress is a factor that negatively affects dairy cattle and can be exacerbated by physiological transition stages as well as environmental pressures like heat stress. This oxidative stress is due to higher levels of reactive oxygen species, which will result in decreased lactation performance and can also have a negative impact on the ruminant microbial populations due to a large number of species within that population having an anaerobic lifestyle. In order to lessen the impact of oxidative stress, producers can utilize feed additives that have antioxidant properties, such as amino acids like methionine, trace minerals like selenium, and vitamin E. And when these are given to the cow, it will decrease the levels of these reactive oxygen species. In addition to alleviating oxidative stress and damage for the animal and the beneficial microbes, these feed additives can also lead to decreases in inflammatory diseases such as mastitis that can really decrease dairy cow production. Utilizing phytochemicals as feed additives such as tannins, which are seen here, and capsicum derivatives, which are pepper derivatives, can improve milk production efficiency and nitrogen utilization efficiency. Including this feed additive can lead to increased volatile fatty acid production as well as an increase in milk fat and milk protein. It promotes the populations of microbes that produces volatile fatty acids while also decreasing the abundance of bacterial species that can negatively affect production and efficiency, such as Suxomonas amylolytica and Streptococcus bovis. A study done by Watabe and others suggested that the use of cellulose acetate byproducts as a feed additive due to the ruminant microbes' ability to break it down and utilize it. Cellulose acetate is a semi-synthetic polymer that is used in a lot of other things like synthetic plastics, but it was also found to yield a significant increase in volatile fatty acids, with a larger proportion being acetate, without negatively affecting the production of other volatile fatty acids or negatively influencing feed digestion, which is a goal for dairy producers since acetate has the ability to increase milk quality. An increase in the Prevotella microbial population occurs when cellulose acetate is added to feed, and because Prevotella is a species that has carbohydrate esterase enzymes that are needed to break down the cellulose acetate. And this is where we see those greater levels of acetate being produced through this cellulose acetate metabolism. It has also been found to combat milk fat depression when cows are under heat stress conditions. So again, bringing that back to the environmental stressors and how producers can alleviate that. So what should a producer do? Producers can utilize the antioxidant feed additives to decrease oxidative damage and produce a conducive environment for the microbial population in the rumen, while also adding a feed additive such as the phytochemicals like the tannins or the capsicum derivatives, or a compound like cellulose acetate that all increase volatile fatty acid production and shift the microbial populations to have more energy availability, as well as increase acetate production, which will increase milk quality. This combination of feed additives will positively manipulate the microbial population, increase dairy cattle production and efficiency, and provide some solutions to the many challenges facing the dairy industry today. These are my references. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.